Okay, I'm back. So you got to see the gingerbread tags I made in the last video. I'll leave a link here if you didn't get to see it. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. If you hit that notification bell, it'll notify you when I upload the next tag in the series. And so the second tag for the series is these vellum tags that I made. So they're kind of white, yeah, so don't want to. So the first one I made is the one I'm keeping because I used all kinds of colors of sequins. And then after I did it, I changed my mind into what sequence I was using. So this is it. I just have a die cut of these houses and the tree and the snowflake, and then I have one of those rhinestones on each of them, and I use this ribbon to make the tie, and I also added the two from in the back. So that's this one. So the ones that I ended up putting these blue snowflake glitter in them. There you can see them better on the back side. But I thought that was way more appropriate. And so I love the way they came out. So this is my tag number 2. So yeah, hope you guys found some inspiration in some gift tags and that you're having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!